Present the award for the best achievement in sound are two of the film's brightest new stars, Sandy Duncan and Michael York.
Can you remember, Sandy, how you felt the first time you heard your own voice played back?
My voice? Yes, I can remember that. To tell you the truth, I couldn't believe it. I thought I was somebody else.
Well, I'm very glad you're not.
Thank you.
When sound came to the movies, it ruined a great many careers, and yet it gave films a whole new dimension. And now, for the best achievement in sound, the nominees are...
Diamonds Are Forever, Gordon McCallum, John Mitchell, Alfred J. Overton.
Fiddler on the Roof, again Gordon K. McCallum and David Hildyard.
The French Connection, Theodore Soderbergh and Christopher Newman.
Koch, Richard Portman and Jack Solomon.
Mary Queen of Scots, Bob Jones and John Aldred.
And the winner is...
Winners are Gordon J. McCallum, K. McCallum, and David Hildyard for Fiddler on the Roof.
Accepting the award for Gordon F. McCallum and David Hildyard, Mr. McCallum.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, what can I say? This is a most wonderful moment in my life. Thank you all, members of the Academy, for voting for Fiddler. It's a film of which I shall always be proud. I think it's a wonderful film. It was great working with Johnny Williams and under Norman Jewison's wonderful, sympathetic direction. I'm sorry that David Hildyard is not here to join me in this wonderful moment. Thank you.
To present the award for the best performance by an actress in a supporting role, the beautiful and beguiling Raquel Welch, and the tough cop who never sang for his father, Gene Hackman.